So today, like you asked me, specific in terms, especially in Kwara State, I'll tell you that for this year has been, of course, a tumultuous one for both us and civilians. But we will know and notice that we've made some progress, a lot of progress, in fact, as far as banditry is concerned, right? And that's, for me, is our main achievement for this year. We have been able to calm down a lot of those places. Some of the villages that were abandoned before, like Babanla and all those other places in Ifelodun, people have started coming back again, at least, to show that at least there's now peace in those areas. I'd also want to add that we will continue to do our best towards achieving peace and returning everywhere to normalcy, and so that we can all continue to live our selected way of life. The Nigerian Army social activities also forms a basis for us to look back at a year and see how much we have achieved and celebrate those achievements while casting forward and looking at new challenges for the year.
We must recognize our challenges. Insecurity has continued to affect lives and livelihoods, and it is our collective duty to confront these threats headlong.